Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how math creeps into our daily lives? It's everywhere, even when we don't realize it. Well, today I'm excited to show you how the binomial theorem does just that. This mathematical concept is more than just numbers and symbols. It's a tool that can simplify complex problems. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see this powerful tool in a whole new light. So, let's dive in and explore the magic of the binomial theorem together. First, what's the binomial theorem? It's a fundamental theorem in algebra that has a wide range of applications. In simple terms, it's a way to expand expressions that are raised to a power. This might sound a bit abstract, but let's break it down. Imagine you have a plus b raised to the power of n. This could be any two numbers or variables. The binomial theorem gives us a formula to expand that without having to multiply a plus b over and over. Here's the formula, which might look a bit intimidating at first: a plus b and equal sine sigma, and choose kb circumflex k. This might seem like a lot to take in, but don't worry, we'll break it down. You might be thinking, whoa, that's a lot to take in, but it's actually quite manageable once you understand each part. But let's break it down step by step. Understanding each component will make the whole formula much clearer. 1. Start with and choose k. This is a fancy way of saying how many ways can we pick k items from n items. This is a fancy way of saying how many ways can we pick k items from n items. It's a fundamental concept in combinatorics. It's also written as Cnk, and it's a binomial coefficient. This coefficient tells us the number of ways to choose k elements from a set of n elements. 1. Next we have a nk. This part of the formula deals with the variable a. This means we take a and raise it to the power of nk. This helps in distributing the power across the terms. 3. And finally b circumflex k. This means we take b and raise it to the power of k. This part deals with the variable b. Put it all together, and you get each term in the expansion. Simple, right? Each term in the expansion is a combination of these components. Now let's see how this applies to real life. You might be surprised at how often you use this without even realizing it. Imagine you're planning a party and you want to mix different flavors of ice cream. This is a fun and delicious way to see the binomial theorem in action. You have chocolate and vanilla. These are your two variables. If you want to create combinations with different scoops, binomial theorem comes to the rescue. It helps you figure out all the possible combinations. Let's say you want 3 scoops in total. How many different ways can you combine chocolate and vanilla? Using chocolate plus vanilla cubed, binomial theorem tells you all possible combinations. This is where the magic happens. 3 scoops of chocolate. This is one possible combination. 2 scoops chocolate, 1 vanilla. Another delicious option. 1 scoop chocolate, 2 vanilla. A different mix. All 3 scoops vanilla. And finally, all vanilla. The theorem makes it super easy to calculate probabilities too. It's not just about combinations, but also about understanding likelihoods. Ever wondered about the chances of flipping a coin and getting a certain number of heads or tails? This is another area where the binomial theorem shines. Yup, binomial theorem can help with that too. It provides a clear way to calculate these probabilities. So, next time you're throwing a party or just flipping a coin, remember, math is right there with you, making things simpler and more fun. It's amazing how these concepts are part of our daily lives. Remember, math is right there with you, making things simpler and more fun. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the binomial theorem. The binomial theorem isn't just for textbooks, it's a handy tool for everyday life. From planning parties to calculating probabilities, it's incredibly useful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it interesting. And don't forget to subscribe for more math magic. See you next time. Keep exploring the wonders of math in your everyday life.